Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both the PowerBeats Pro and your phone. Put the earbuds in the case and leave the lid open. This triggers the pairing beacon. On your device, open Bluetooth settings and stay on that screen. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. You do this because the earbuds advertise while the case is open, and your phone needs to be ready to accept a new connection. If you use an iPhone, keep the device unlocked for faster handoff. Once your device is scanning, look for PowerBeats Pro in the list. Tap it to pair. If nothing appears, press and hold the button on the rear of the case for a few seconds to force pairing mode. You'll see a light flash or device name appear. After you tap the entry, wait for a confirmation tone from the earbuds or a connected status on screen. You should hear audio routed to the earbuds. Make sure media volume is up but start low to avoid loud surprises. You finish by confirming both audio and mic work. Play music and make a short call. If pairing fails, place earbuds back in the case, close and reopen the lid, and hold the case button for about 15 seconds to reset, then repeat pairing. Make sure your phone's OS is current and delete any previous PowerBeats Pro entries to avoid conflicts. If problems persist, try pairing with another device to isolate whether the issue is the earbuds or the original phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.